All right, so the next step in your transfer credit approval process is, of course, filling out the form that will collect all the approvals for the course that you want to take. So, regardless if a course has been approved from previous summers or if it's listed in the transfer course guide or any other reason that you could possibly think of, all courses need to be approved before you take them to ensure that they can transfer back to RPI. You will need to fill out this form and get approval before the end of the spring semester. So this is not something you should wait on if it is something that you do want to accomplish. Okay, so there are 5 steps to filling out this form. So the first one is reading both pages of the form carefully as it provides information on transferring credits such as what grade you have to earn. So we have included page 2 in our resource. Especially this section here is very important for you to read as an undergraduate student. Step 2 is collecting all the required information that must be submitted with your form. What you are going to need is a course description or an official course syllabus of the course from the institution where you intend to take the class. You also are going to need the official course name and number from the institution. As an example, Physics 151 for Physics 2, and the equivalent course at RPI, which is Physics 1200, Physics 2. Step 3 is actually going to be filling out the transfer credit approval form. You can certainly just click this button to get to the form. However, I wanted to show you how you can find all the forms that you need on the registrar's website. If you do Control F and search forms, you will find a button on the side, and literally every form you could possibly need is right here on the website. You don't have to ask, to have a copy of the form. You can find it yourself right here. And if we click on transfer credit approval form, you will find it is the exact same form that we're about to go through. So going back to this form, this top section is to collect all your personal information, so name, phone number, RIN, your RPI email address, your expected Rensselaer graduation date. This will be May, and then the year that you intend to graduate. If you're not sure, just put what you think it will be, the term that you entered, fall, spring, or summer, and the year that you began, your RPI major. Over here, we're looking for the transfer institution attended, such as Hudson Valley Community College. I would also include what state the school is located in. It just helps the approval process go a bit quicker, go a bit smoother. The dates that you are going to take the course. So if you're starting the course this May, of course it would be 05 and then the year. And say you're taking it through the whole summer, it would be August, so 08 to the year. In this next section, we're giving a couple more details and making sure that nothing is missed when transferring the credits. So if you are going to exceed 8 credits of your math and science core by transferring this course in, you will want to check yes on this box, and we will need to get additional approval from the associate dean. I will show you in just a minute where that contact information is. If this course is an online course, you will need to get approval for that. If the course is a lab, they will not approve that. For example, Physics 2 will be you'll need to take it in person. This section is for much later down the road, so I'm going to skip over that for now. In this section, we're grabbing the details of the course. So at the visited college, this will go back to this information here. So the course name and number from the other institution, Physics 151. You'll put it here, 151, and then write Physics 2, and the number of credit hours, so likely 4, but sometimes 3, and RPI equivalent, so Physics 1200, Physics 2, 4 credits. If the course is in the transfer course guide, you certainly can check this box. However, regardless of its status in the transfer course guide, you will still need to get approval in this section here. Again, I'm about to show you who will approve what course. And then scrolling down, the last person to sign this form is going to be your academic advisor. The reason why is because we will look over this form and double check that everything has been filled out appropriately to ensure that you have everything you need in order to have the course approved. All right, and that is it. Step 4 is getting the approvals. So now that you have this form filled out and you've collected all the important information, this is where you will send the information to. So if it's a Haas course, we have this contact, science, management, engineering. And then again, once you get the approvals from the office that you need to have the approvals from, you will then send it to your academic advisor in the hub. Once you have the approvals, the form must go to the registrar's office. You can do this in collaboration with your hub advisor, but please make sure that regardless, you have your own copy of the signed form. You have it saved in a safe place. Hopefully the academic advising folder that we suggest that you have for all of your academic information that you need to hold on to. All right, that is how you fill out the form and how you collect information for approvals.